Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are completely modernizing how you handle one of life's most persistent and, let's face it, annoying chores, paying your utility bills. Specifically, we're taking a comprehensive, beginner-friendly dive into the digital infrastructure of Atmos Energy. Whether you're a brand new customer or just someone who is finally looking to streamline those monthly expenses, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to take this routine task and transform it into a fast, seamless digital experience. But first, let's set the scene a little bit. Are you completely tired of standing in long queues at those independently operated payment centers? Or maybe you're still doing things the old school way, writing physical checks, tracking down stamps, and just crossing your fingers that the Postal Service gets your payment there before the due date. Well, imagine settling your dues from the absolute comfort of your couch with just a few taps on your screen. No lines, no stamps, no stress. Stay tuned because we are going to discover exactly how to make this your new reality. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is a quick look at our roadmap. 1. Setting up your account. 2. Navigating payment options. 3. Automating and splitting bills. 4. Security and the app trap. 5. FAQs and financial assistance. And finally, 6. A quick summary to tie it all together.
Section 1. Setting up your account, the foundation for digital payments.
Think of the Account Center as your central command hub for absolutely everything related to your natural gas service. For beginners, this setup process is incredibly straightforward. Step 1. You just need to gather your information. Specifically, you'll need your 10-digit account number, which you can easily find in the top right corner of any paper billing statement. Now, if you are starting a completely new service, just a heads up that you'll also need your Social Security number to verify your identity and see if a security deposit is required. Step 2. Navigate over to the Atmos Energy Account Center portal on their official website. And Step 3, just click Register, enter your email, create a username, and set a password.
While you're getting this set up, just make sure you're on a stable internet connection and using a secure, private device. You really want to avoid public Wi-Fi for this initial setup, for obvious reasons. Also, if you've actually tried this before and totally forgot your login details, don't sweat it. The portal has really easy retrieval links right there on the login page. And here is the massive incentive to just get this done today. If you mail a physical check, it literally takes an average of 7 to 10 days to reach Atmos and be recorded in their system. By going digital, you completely bypass that waiting period and the anxiety of wondering if your payment actually cleared in time.
Section 2. Navigating payment options. Choosing the best method for you.
So once your account is set up and you're securely logged in, it's time to actually clear your balance. Atmos Energy actually offers an impressive variety of payment options, but the rules do differ slightly depending on what type of customer you are, and this brilliantly illustrates that point. If you are a residential customer, you hit the jackpot. You can pay using Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or even digital payment methods like Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, or Venmo with absolutely zero extra convenience fees online. However, if you are managing a commercial or non-residential account, be aware, using credit cards or digital wallets triggers a 2.85% third-party processing fee from a vendor called Paymentus. The good news for commercial accounts is that you can still make standard ACH bank drafts for free.
Actually making a one-time payment is a breeze. Inside the dashboard, Step 1 is to select Pay from Account. You'll see your current balance and any amount past due right there, and you just enter the amount you want to pay. Interestingly enough, the system actually allows you to pay up to $350 more than your current balance if you ever want to get ahead for future months. Step 2, choose your payment draft date. And Step 3, simply submit the payment. You'll instantly receive a digital confirmation receipt. And hey, if any processing errors occur, this exact same dashboard is where you'll troubleshoot it.
Section 3. Automating and splitting bills. Put your payments on autopilot. Let's graduate to some of the more advanced, high-value financial tools. Managing monthly expenses can be a headache, but by utilizing automation, you can make your utility management effortless and, most importantly, predictable. So the crucial point is this. When you link a bank account or credit card to enroll in the automatic payment plan, you completely eliminate the risk of accidental late charges. But remember, enrolling in AutoPay using a card or digital wallet automatically signs you up for the e-bill program. This means your physical, paper statements will stop coming in the mail, and all your monthly bills, notifications, and payment confirmations will be sent exclusively via email. Honestly, it's a fantastic way to reduce clutter and save some paper. Now, what if your bill is unusually high one month, and you just need a bit of flexibility? While Atmos doesn't have a native self-service split payment button on their site, several third-party buy now, pay later platforms actually integrate with them.
Services like Defer It will pay your bill in full immediately, which is huge for preventing late fees, and then let you repay them in 4 installments every 2 weeks, just for a small monthly membership and a 99-cent fee. Zip allows a 4 installment split over a 6-week period. Pay Later offers a 3 installment plan with an interest-free upfront payment. These third-party tools can be an absolute lifesaver for managing your cash flow, especially during those really expensive winter heating months.
Section 4. Security and the App Trap. Keeping your data and device safe. As we shift gears to talk about account security and mobile access, I really need to warn you about a critical pitfall. Lots of new users trying to pay on their smartphones fall right into this trap. It's the most natural instinct, right? You want to pay your gas bill, so you pop open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and type in Atmos Energy. You see an app called Atmos Mobile and you download it. But wait, is that actually the official app for your gas bill?
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the reality check. That app you found, it's actually a medical alert and emergency call system for caregivers built by a company called SilverSphere. It has absolutely zero to do with your natural gas bill. The developers actually have to put a bold disclaimer right there in their app description because so many utility customers mistakenly download it and leave confused reviews. So yeah, do not fall for the app trap.
So you're probably wondering, how do you get mobile access if there's no native app? Well, Atmos uses a highly efficient mobile wallet integration instead. Step 1, you just go to the Atmos Energy website via your smartphone's mobile browser. Step 2, enter your 10-digit account number and your last name on the mobile wallet enrollment page. And Step 3, just tap Add to Apple Wallet or Save to Phone for Google Pay. This downloads a digital pass directly into your phone's native wallet. It gives you seamless one-tap payment access, and it even sends push notifications right to your lock screen when a new bill arrives. It's incredibly brilliant, lightweight, and requires no messy app downloads.
Let's also do a quick rundown on essential account security. When you are setting your password, Atmos requires it to be between 8 and 128 characters long, and it absolutely must include at least 3 of the following: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, or a special character. Also, always make sure to keep your payment methods updated, because think about it, if your credit card expires, your autopay is going to fail, and you might get hit with those annoying late fees. Finally, if you ever do decide to pay in person, please only use the authorized centers listed directly on the Atmos website to protect yourself from scams and payment delays.
Section 5. FAQs and Financial Assistance. Getting help when you need it.
Sometimes, despite our absolute best planning, utility bills can just catch us off guard, especially during extreme weather when natural gas usage spikes just to heat our homes. The good news is Atmos offers some truly fantastic programs to empower customers who need solutions. Budget billing is an absolute lifesaver. It basically averages out your costs over the year so you don't get hit with massive spikes in the winter, making your monthly amount highly predictable. If you've fallen behind, Atmos offers direct installment plans with no added charges. There's also LIHEP, providing federal winter heating funds to qualifying households, and Sharing the Warmth, a great program where Atmos actually partners with local agencies to amplify customer donations and help out folks in the community.
If you have really specific questions about late fees or need to set up one of those assistance plans, here are your direct lifelines. Customer service is at 888-286-6700, and they're available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time. Just keep in mind, Atmos operates across 8 different states, so things like specific late fees and reconnection deposits will vary based on your state's specific regulatory tariff. Oh, and please, if you ever suspect a gas leak or smell sulfur, leave the area immediately and call their 24/7 emergency line at 866-322-8667 or just dial 911.
Section 6. Summary. Wrapping up your digital journey. Let's move to our wrap-up and see how this builds our complete digital picture. We've covered a ton of ground today, transitioning from the clunky old way of doing things into a really streamlined digital-first approach. To recap the immense practical value here, setting up your account online lets you entirely bypass those stressful 7 to 10-day mail delays. You can put your mind at ease by automating your payments with AutoPay, which pairs perfectly with paperless e-bill. Remember, don't fall for the App Store trap. Instead, use that slick mobile wallet feature for instant one-tap payments. And of course, you have powerful tools like budget billing, buy now, pay later services, and robust customer support standing by if you ever need a little extra flexibility.
Before we completely close out, just a quick professional note. This explainer is intended for informational purposes only. Utility regulations and digital portal features can and do update over time, so you should always verify all exact procedures, fees, and state-specific tariffs directly with the official Atmos Energy website or through their customer service team to ensure full accuracy and compliance with current practices.
And that brings us to the end. You now hold all the keys to the digital kingdom for your natural gas service. So I leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to ditch the stamps, skip the lines, and settle your dues from the absolute comfort of your home with just a few clicks? Dive into the Atmos Account Center today. Get that mobile wallet set up and take total control of your utility bills. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.